Hello and welcome to Altea Suite. Today I'm going to talk about how to do bank reconciliations. To get started, we're going to go over to the left-hand side into Finance Books and finding our Bank Reconciliation tab. So here, once you come to the screen, you'll get a list of all the different bank reconciliations you've done. To do a new one, we're going to go up here to the New button. Once you select that, this window pops open. At the top, we're given a date range field. So if I want to look at anything within a date range, such as today, that date range will get selected, and then all available invoices are over here for you to be able to select which invoices that you want to reconcile. The first column here is our payment mode. So if we want to filter the payment modes, we can select all my cash payments, or I can select all my different card payments. You can also come down here and we can select all of them and reconcile them all at the same time, or we can select just a few. So for example, if I just want to do my cash, I'll apply those filters and I can either select them both, or I can check this top box, which will select everything. Once you get the invoices that you want to reconcile selected, you're going to come down here, and then we just need to choose our bank account where we want to debit the reconciliation. So in my account, I have created my bank account, Bank of America. And all I need to do is hit save, and this will move the money out of those accounts and into my bank account. So as soon as I hit save, it's going to ask me, do we want to reconcile the selected transactions? I'm going to say yes. And so there is my new record. You can see this reconciliation right here. To check this, I can also go down into my financial transactions. And if I select the top one, you can see that petty cash has left this account and went into my Bank of America account. Going back into my bank reconciliations, I'm going to do another new one. This time, I'm still going to choose today. And now I'm going to do the rest of my card reconciliations. So I'm going to select all of them. Now for these card reconciliations, we do have this checkbox to deduct credit card fees. When you're deducting credit card fees, you need to choose an expense account. So in my account, I've created a credit card commission expense account. So now whenever I calculate this, I can either give it a percentage. Say this card company takes 3%. The system will calculate 3% based off of the selected total. I can either give it a percent, or I can type out the amount. And the system will also give you it in the percentage. But most of the time, people just give a percentage, and the system will calculate that. And then again, we need to choose our bank account where we want this reconciliation to debit into. I'm going to choose my bank account, and I'm going to hit save. It's going to ask me the same question. Do you want to reconcile the selected transactions? You say yes. And once you hit save, again, the system has created a record for you. So anytime you can come over here and click here, and this will put the reconciliation in the view mode so you can see exactly what's been done. You could also check this by going into your financial accounts. Once you're here in the financial accounts, we can see this Bank of America right here. I'm going to go and view my ledger. And here are all the bank reconciliations I've done that went into this bank account. So once you do your reconciliations, in the back end, your bank account will get updated in the real time. So all of my reconciliations will also come down here. And that is how to do a bank reconciliation in Altea Suite. Thank you.